the video. Hello, how are we, guys? How are we? I hope that we are okay. I hope we are perfectly fine. I hope that we are okay. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are we? All right, I've seen some people have joined. Good morning. And I am almost done marking the test. This simply means that, let me say exactly 05:30, the results will be submitted. All right, guys. So now, so far, we have covered a good number of things. So we have covered a good number of things. So we have covered lots of things. So now here, I have a question to ask you guys. So we have the following things remaining. So these are the only things, let me say, remaining for us to start revisions, okay? So we have the following things remaining in order for us to start English revisions, where we are going to start from the introduction actually, okay? So we are only remaining with about, let me say, about, if not 6 to 7 things, then we are done, so that we start revisions in English. So we have the following things remaining. Number one, we have the following things remaining. So number one, okay, we have the part of vocabulary. We have the part of vocabulary, whereby inside of it, we are going to meet the likes of synonyms, antonyms, okay? So here, mainly, they're getting the part of synonyms, those big words we see. So synonyms, antonyms, okay? So here, we have synonyms, antonyms. Speaking of the likes of phrasal verbs, so here we have phrasal verbs. So here we have synonyms, antonyms, phrasal verbs, and here also including prepositions. They are under the same vocabulary. So prepositions. Okay, so we have the following things, guys. Okay, under vocabulary remaining. So we have synonyms, words of the same meaning. Then here, phrasal verbs, we have antonyms, we have prepositions. Okay. Then now we also have the following things remaining. Speaking of the likes of listening comprehension. Speaking of the likes of listening comprehension. Okay. And here we have the other thing remaining. Okay. So here, speaking of the likes of, okay, let me do this. Here we have grammar. Okay, let me get get another. So here we have grammar. So here we have vocabulary, we have grammar to handle, and now we have the likes of comprehension. Now we have comprehension to handle or to do. So this is our roadmap, guys. So we have these things to handle. So we have vocabulary, the getting this, then we have grammar, we have comprehension. Okay, so I will simply say grammar and what? And a close passage. So grammar and a close what? Close passage. Then we have comprehension. Then the other key thing remaining in order for us to start revisions, we have the following thing. Let me say section B, compositions. Section A, we have done argumentative, discursive, everything. So if there are those whereby who joined, let me say this work, don't forget to request for what? For composition videos for section A. I do have them. Okay, we are having live sessions with your friends, private ones. Yes, so now they are very much available for you. So once you just join, I'm going to send all the live sessions whereby we were discussing the same discursive, argumentative, how to write a narrative, how to write a descriptive. We did all those stuffs. So here we have remained with what? Section B what? We have remained with section B compositions. So we have just remained with what? Section B what? Compositions. So we have just remained with what? Section B compositions. So we have just remained with what? Section what? Compositions. So we have remained with section B compositions. So we have the following things remaining. So number one, we will do report writing. Number two, we will do article writing, both feature and letter to the editor. Then number three, we will do the following things. So we have a report, we have article writing. Then number three, we will do the following things. So we will even do speech. Okay, how to write a speech. Let me say speech writing. The number four, we will do the last thing. So this is our roadmap, guys. So this is our roadmap. So we will do report, we will do article writing, we will do speech writing. Then now we will do what we call minutes. We will do what we call minutes what? We will do what we call minutes writing. So we have a report, we have article writing, we have speech writing, minutes writing. Okay, so you do. So here number one, here we'll do number two, number three, the number four. Then the last key thing whereby we are going to handle and also do, we are going to do this one, which we best refer to it as letter writing. So we will do letter what? We will do letter writing. This is what we are going to do. So we will do letter what? Writing. Take note, under the same article, we have two types which are involved, the feature article and also the letter to the editor. So under the letter writing, we are going just to do three. Speaking of the likes of informal, which is a friendly letter. Speaking of the likes of formal, and also speaking of the likes of what? A semi-formal. So these are some of the letters which we are going to do what? To do. So it's very, very, very important that you see how we handle these kinds of what? Things. So I do hope that this video will give you a proper, let me say, guide on how we will be, let me say, moving. So these are some of the key things we have remained with. All right. So concerning the part of section B, we will only do report, minutes, article, speech, and also letter writing. Then we are done. That's how we are going to structure this part. So here, and There will be, and I will just send, let me say, a video we did under this type, under also profile writing. I will send a pre-recorded live session we did. It is a private for profile. I will just send this one, but I will explain mainly concerning these parts: report, article, speech, so that you have proper knowledge. All right, so that's what it is here. So we have the following things, guys. So now here, my question is like this. Let us vote, guys. Okay, take note, we are done concerning the part of summary writing. We are done. Rewrites, covering rewrites from type 1 up to type 12, done. Summary done, rewrites done. Section B, section A, compositions, argumentative, discursive, everything done. Now here, our next key target is what? Is this. So upon just finishing this, then we are done. Rogers, how are you? So my question here, guys, is like this. Let us vote. Okay? Since we are done with type 1 up to 12 transformations, or rather rewrites, what is the next key thing? What should we look at? Should we look at comprehension? Should we look at article writing, report, minutes? Let us vote, guys, so that we see. So which one is more hard to you guys? So that at least we start with that same thing. Let us vote. Let us vote. Which topic here should come first? Let us vote. Let us vote. Okay. So I will be indicating your votes here. All right. So that the one with many votes, the topic with many votes, that's the topic we are going to look at. Okay. We can vote, guys. We can start voting. So if you just say vocabulary, take note, we'll just choose. Also, don't forget to choose here. So if you say you are going for vocabulary, don't forget to mention that, okay? It can be phrasal verbs, or it can be prepositions, or it can be synonyms, it can be antonyms, all these stuffs. All right? Don't forget to even indicate. Take note, when we talk about synonyms, guys, those are, let me say, best example. Speaking of the 2025 GCE, English paper 2, those bigger words whereby you're going to see, like those words which came at inadvertently, those bigger words whereby the words, they will be big, and they will be, let me say, they will simply ask you, okay, they will simply ask you, let me give you a sample. Where is my tafroid? Here, here, best example. You have seen, these are synonyms. Okay, they fall under what? Vocabulary. You have seen. You have seen. So here, these are the words. Okay, they fall under what? Vocabulary. Okay, so this is what it is here. This is what it is. Let us vote, guys. So voting starts now. Which topic should we do first? So expose your difficult topics here. Expose them, all right? Expose them. I'm waiting for your votes now. All right, so Maxwell is saying, sir, vocabulary, synonyms, those big words. Okay, so concerning the part of vocabulary, there is, okay, one vote. So Maxwell said synonyms concerning the part of the vocabulary. Others, so we have one vote. So Maxwell has voted saying that, okay, sir, we should do vocabulary, particularly synonyms, words of the same meaning, words which are near the same meaning. Okay, let us vote, guys. Let us vote. Which topic should be the next here? Let us vote. Do you want grammar? Do you want close passage? Do you want... So, Karen, how are you, Karen? Actually, we are voting here. So, which topic should be the next here, Karen? Should it be comprehension, or should it be synonyms, those bigger words whereby upon just opening the paper, paper 2, you are going to see bigger words and you should answer them correctly minus you using a what? A dictionary like this one. Okay, these words, the bigger ones. Okay, or okay, so Lucky, another vote also. Lucky saying section B, composition. So yes, Lucky. Now which one? Which one? Because here we have about we have report, article, we have speech, we have minutes, we have letter writing, we have profile. Now which one exactly? Okay, you have said section B. Now which one? So vote like what Maxwell did. Said vocabulary, sir. Synonyms, open and close bracket. So that's what it is.